Ndị be anyị ekene m unu nke onye chiri ya zelu. It means, my people, I salute you. Whichever one that is your title, receive it. I bring you short Igbo lesson which more of that contains proverb. I am doing this for the first time, I think. Proverb is very important in Igboland, and I'm gonna be saying it in Igbo and trying to translate it in English. You see a goat, the mother goat and the baby goat, and it says, "Nnewu na-ata achara, nwa ya ana ele ya anya n'ọnụ." I repeat, nnewu na-ata achara, nwa ya ana ele ya anya n'ọnụ. It means the mother of a goat, when eating some leaves that we call achara in our language, the baby of that mother goat will now be looking at the mouth. So it is a proverb. Is self-explanatory. If the mother goat is doing anything, whatsoever you are doing in the presence of any child or anyone that is learning from you, that learner will be copying. So, in other words, people learn more from your action than what you're saying. So, the action you perform is the major lesson you are passing about yourself and about life. So, you have just to be very careful, because this is a proverb. Igbo people will use it to talk to someone who is behaving somehow. They will just tell you, "Nnewu na-ata achara, nwa ya na-ele anya n'ọnụ." In other words, whatever you are doing in the presence of your children or in the presence of the young ones, they are copying. And whatever they have copied from you, they will lash it on you. They will behave it and they will represent you elsewhere, however you have taught them. So it's not about what you told them or what you are saying. It is about what you are doing, especially when someone is seeing you.